Hey, what's up? Welcome to Data Tech. Today I've got something super cool to unbox and compare for you. Two neck holders designed to keep your phone or camera hands-free for POV shots, vlogs, or just chilling. I'll be diving into two options from Amazon, breaking down what works, what doesn't, and which one might be the best fit for you. So, let's get right into it. First up, we've got this one. It's the neck holder with a magnetic mount. Let's unbox it real quick. Alright, here it is. You've got this adjustable neck strap and a pretty slick magnetic holder. Let's test it out. So the magnet, honestly it's awesome. It's super strong and versatile. I'm using it with my phone here and it snaps on quick and stays put. You can rotate it, angle it however you want. Perfect for POV video or even just watching stuff hands-free. The magnet makes it so easy to pop on and off. But here's the catch, the neck cord itself not the strongest. It's fine for super light devices like a GoPro or DJI Action or Instago, but when I tried it with something heavier, like my iPhone or a slightly bulkier camera, it started to feel a little flimsy. The weight pulls it down, and it's not super comfy for long-term use with anything hefty. So, for lightweight action cams, solid choice. For heavier phones or gear, maybe not the best. Now let's switch gears to option 2. Another neck holder, but this one's built different. Right out of the box, you can feel the difference. The neck support here is way sturdier and more comfortable. It's padded and sits nicely on your shoulders. Plus, it's got this extra cord to secure your device. Let's test it out. I've got my iPhone 13 Pro Max on here, and then I swapped it for the Insta360 X4. Guys, this thing is stable. The cord keeps it locked in place, and even with the weight of the iPhone, it feels secure. I walked around, did some light exercise moves, and tried in a ultimate zero wobble. It's honestly so good for hands-free recording or POV shots when you need that rock-solid support. The downside, no magnet. Unlike the first one, you're manually clipping or attaching your device, so it's not as quick or versatile in that sense. If you love the magnetic snap-on feature, this might feel like a step back, but if stability is your priority, like for chest-mounted shots during workouts or action scenes, this one's a champ. So, let's break it down. Option 1 with the magnet is super versatile and great for lightweight cams like the 360 Go, GoPro or DJI Action. It's quick, it's easy, but that neck cord struggles with heavier stuff. Option 2 trades the magnet for a beefier neck support and that extra cord. It's a tank, perfect for phones like the iPhone 13 Pro Max or even chunkier cams like the Insta360 X4, especially if you're moving around a lot. Both are awesome for hands-free use or POV video. Personally, I take the second one due that I use the phone and 360 X4. Anyway, I have the Amazon links if you want to grab one, and let me know in the comments. What devices do you want me to test or explain next time? I'd love to dive deeper and help you figure out what's worth your cash. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.